figure out a bank.
Here she is, cute lady. You have vegetable?
有 yes one
One.
one 热
Awesome. No meat. We did it with his phone. Good job, phone. Look at that. It says no meat. Thank you. Okay, I heard you, Mr. Bricks. How much?
要 how much 多少钱1块5哦我操
他给我抢2
Five?
在它里面是有
1块5人民币
Okay. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you. I got one. I'm picking my way through here. Thank you, Shishi. Every one of these scooters is electric. It's crazy. They look old, but they're cool. They're electric. Electric scooter land and bicycles. Much better than Bali. Bali's pure petrochemical. And we're back here at the Starbucks where we started. There they go. Electric scooters. Look at that. No exhaust. Love it.
They're silent.
Totally quiet. Noise traffic, noise pollution, regular pollution. Have a few cameras with your excitement. Cadillac. Proud Cadillac owners. Garden center. Walking back to the hotel. This is our layover hotel straight down the street from that market. Going back. Our flight is at 9 o'clock tonight and it's 5:15 right now. So see if we can't get run over by a Toyota Levine. Interesting, that's cool. Again, that's electric. Electric cars, electric scooters. This is our Chinese hotel that we get the free layover. Pretty cool. I mean, not bad, really. It's really close to that cool market, so we think it's cool. I'm actually getting internet service here even. The phone isn't working. But oh, there's Jamaica trying to get some cash. This is the entrance to the hotel though. You gonna try? There she goes. No. At the airport I was able to get cash. You want to see what I pushed? You just gotta push. Just try. I'm okay. Okay. A Ford in China. What? What? Much what? Jewelry. Oh yeah. It wasn't in English when I did it. I just guessed. I said choose English, but it still came up in Chinese. Did you get through? Ding dong. Good answer. Here we go. This is the hotel you get for the layover. It looks really fancy. is cuter. No, this one I got really cool. They're used to that. The blockers following each other around the pictures and things.
That's true.
And our sketchy elevator. Go up. And right here's a security guard, and he smokes cigarettes in this cute little office. It's so fun, everybody smokes. Here we go.
We gotta make this quick. We gotta spend that yen. We gotta spend that RV.
We got like 45 minutes left till we gotta go try to catch a taxi. Looking doctors. $60, $80. She's a big spender, man. I don't know if we have enough room for that. I hope I can find the keys. I don't know where the key is, dude.
I think it's gonna be
Take
a
a
good deal
camera.
on the street though.
Little sun will make it alright. Just to brighten up my day. Little sun will make it alright. Pick me up, I'm feeling low. Little sun will make it alright.
Eternal struggle here. Always looking for the key. Here it is. Oh, she left us a note. Sweet.
Oh yay!
Yay.
What does it say?
Hi, I'm taking off. Tired. Trying to knock on your door, but I still think you're asleep. Thank you so much for that. I would have been nowhere. I hope you see you in some other time, maybe in Cali or Amsterdam. Again, thanks for being my lifesavers. Noah Burkhard, you can add me at Facebook.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, let's plug the phone in. It's gonna die. We gotta add Facebook now back. We have to put Facebook back. I took a little video of the room earlier. If we put the key in here, the lights come on.